do you think that that bad mind culture and people's inability to work together has caused the current state of reggae music in Jamaica?
Everything come together and all me too. Everything come together and got lick reggae with that hammer, brother. All me like to brother. Everybody involved,
Why
brother.
do you say
So you
all
take
people?
everybody for just come together. Because I couldn't separate myself. I'm a part of it. I couldn't separate myself. So who am I to separate myself? When we do better or different? No, I'm not. And if there is unity, I would have to be a part of it. So I would have to be a part of the solving of the problem. So then put all differences aside. Because you say nothing now go on. All this time, you don't have no grip on nothing. Just put all differences aside and try to make a work out the industry setting so we can have an artist union, a way how to do proper business through each artist have proper management staff and team and him office as a business, as a record company where employ people and pay them a week time. Let's try start from there and see if we can rekindle. Because it's rough. We're too much of individuals nowadays and all we do is show off on one another. Like me could have walk and tell the world so me I told on the world and them would have believe. Them would have believe. But a lie me would have tell and I act. And I act. I did a tour the other day, Jamaican, Lutan Fyah, and we bring through Zaina. It was 30 shows in 28 days. And we there forward pan Jamaica Island and stay. So look around again. It's not just for me, it's right across the board. Nobody now invest them money. You know, no live nothing too much. Worldwide, Jamaica reggae. It's not, there's no investment in it anymore like
Is it
how it used to be.
why do you think investors are staying away from the
I'm
music?
not sure.
All right, I want to ask because you're the perfect person because you went through the whole generation, right? Fire, how do you go from having Rebel Salute, Western Consciousness, Jam, all these shows to just where we at now, just Rebel Salute and Sunfest? How did what happened?
People them now invest. When the corporate take over the music and the promoter bring the plan to them. For me, how I look at it, I am Biscuit. So Biscuit gonna tell you who come with your show name Eastern Ja Vibes and tell you, say, listen me now, Ja Vibes. That artist cannot represent my brand. I would like you to put this artist on it. You, the corporate somebody, don't know nothing about the music, the streets, and what people love, want to hear, or anything like that. But that's your demand because you give him 30 million. Him to
Work with
take your 30 million and go do what you say. So all these shows get crumbled because they just stop keep. Nobody now invest the money. You know, that's so plain and straight. Me I pray for 200 show go and continue, you know. Some fest. The white man continue losing money, you could have pack up and run by one day.